We continue with powers, but this time the base is not a variable, the base is a number. So you're trying to rewrite the different numbers with the same base so you can simplify powers. So for example, I could have 5 to the power of 3 in the numerator, and in the denominator I could have 50. Now to simplify this, instead of expanding and simplifying in numbers, so you will have 5 to the power of 3 over 50 can be written as 25 times 2 equal 5 to the power of 3 over 25 can be written 5 to the power of 2 times 2. Now 5 to the power of 2 and 5 to the 3 can be simplified because the same base, then you can minus the powers. That gives me 5 over 2, and that's your final answer. Another examples, slightly harder, we could do 8 to the power of 4n over 16 to the power of 2n. Now both numbers here, or both bases, can be written as base 2. So the 8 can be written 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of 4n over 16 can be written 2 to the power of 4 all to the power of 2n. And now power to power you multiply, so it becomes 2 to the power of 12n over 2 to the power of 8n minus the powers. So 12 minus 8 is 4, so it becomes 2 to the power of 4n, and that's your final answer. We can do a harder example. So for example, you've got 2 to the power of 2n plus 1 times 4 to the power of 3n minus 2 over 8 n to the power of n plus 4 times 16 to n plus 1. Now if you look at this this type of questions, you can tell that you're trying to rewrite the base. Looking at the numbers, you've got 2, 4, 8 and 16. You can tell that you can write the base here, all the bases here, to the power of to the base of 2 or 4. Okay, so you're trying to do that. You cannot actually write all of them to the base of 2. So now we will, the first one you can't simplify anymore, plus 1 times the 4 can be written 2 to the power of 2 all to the power of 3n minus 2 over 8 is 2 to the power of 3 all to the power of n plus 4. 16 is 2 to the power of 4 all to the power of 2n plus 1. So now you can all to the same base, simplify, expand the brackets first. So we've got 2 to the power of 2n plus 1 times 2 to the power, now expand, so it becomes 6n minus 4. It's like expanding brackets over 2 to the power of 3n plus 12 times 2 to the power of 8n plus 4. Now before you go any further, try to simplify the numerator and the denominator first. So let's say simplify the numerator first. You have the same base, so you can add the power. So we've got 8n minus 3 over 3n with 8n is 11n plus 16. Now to the same base, so you can minus, so 2 to the power of 8n minus 3 minus 11n plus 16. Now you minus the like term, so 8n minus 11n is 3n, negative 3n, sorry, and minus 3 minus 16 becomes negative 13. That's negative power, so change it to positive, becomes 1 over 2 3n plus 13, and that's your final answer.